Hammer. Hit the nail with the hammer. Sledgehammer. Use the sledgehammer to break the wall. Mallet. Tap the wood gently with the mallet. Claw hammer. Pull out the nail with the claw hammer. Ball peen hammer. Shape the metal using the ball peen hammer. Screwdriver. Turn the screw with the screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver. This flathead screwdriver fits the slot. Phillips screwdriver. Use a Phillips screwdriver for this screw. Torque screwdriver. The torque screwdriver has a star-shaped tip. Precision screwdriver. Fix the watch with a precision screwdriver. Pliers. Hold the wire tightly with the pliers. Needle nose pliers. Reach the small part using needle nose pliers. Slip joint pliers. Adjust the slip joint pliers for a bigger nut. Locking pliers. Lock the pliers so they stay in place. Cutting pliers. Cut the thin wire with the cutting pliers. End cutting pliers. Trim the excess nail with end cutting pliers. Wire stripper. Remove the plastic cover using a wire stripper. Crimping tool. Connect the wire ends with the crimping tool. Adjustable wrench. Turn any size nut with an adjustable wrench. Open-end wrench. Use the open-end wrench on the bolt head. Box wrench. The box wrench grips the nut completely. Combination wrench. One end of this wrench is open, the other is closed. Socket wrench. Change the socket for different bolt sizes. Ratchet wrench. Tighten the bolt quickly with the ratchet wrench. Pipe wrench. Grip the metal pipe firmly using the pipe wrench. Allen key. Tighten this screw with the Allen key. Torque wrench. Do not over-tighten, use a torque wrench. Crowfoot wrench. Use a crowfoot wrench in tight spaces. Monkey wrench. Old plumbers often use a monkey wrench. Impact wrench. Remove lug nuts fast with an impact wrench. Hand saw. Cut the wooden board with a hand saw. Hacksaw. Use a hacksaw to cut the metal pipe. Coping saw. Make curved cuts with a coping saw. Bow saw. Trim the thick branch with a bow saw. Keyhole saw. Start a hole in drywall with a keyhole saw. Circular saw. This circular saw cuts straight lines quickly. Jigsaw. Cut curves in plywood using a jigsaw. Miter saw. Make an angled cut for the picture frame. Table saw. Never remove the safety guard from a table saw. Chainsaw. Cut firewood with a chainsaw. Drill. Make a hole in the wall with the drill. Hammer drill. Use a hammer drill for concrete walls. Impact driver. Drive long screws easily with an impact driver. Rotary hammer. Break the concrete slab with a rotary hammer. Drill bit. Insert the drill bit into the chuck. Hole saw. Cut a large hole for the pipe using a hole saw. Chisel. Chip away the wood carefully with the chisel. Wood chisel. Sharpen your wood chisel before carving. Cold chisel. Cut through a rusted bolt with a cold chisel. Punch. Mark the starting point with a punch. Center punch. Use a center punch so the drill doesn't slip. File. Smooth the rough edge with a file.
Thank you for watching.